Please tell me your full name and your age.
My name is Raj Soti, and now I am 28 years old.
And what is your religion?
My religion is Hindu.
So, what kind of food do you prefer? Are you vegetarian? Do you also eat meat?
No, I am non-vegetarian and I eat everything.
Okay, that's good. So, how many members do you have in your family?
In my family, we are total 6 members, but partially we are staying at Kathmandu, and some of my family members they are staying in the village.
Okay, so are you married?
Yes, I am married and I have got one son also.
Okay, how old is he?
He is 5 years old.
Oh, okay. And where have you worked before?
I have worked before at Saudi Arabia at one of the oil company, also called Saudi Aramco Oil Company.
Okay, and what were you doing there?
I was working as a maintenance planner in the gas plant, and I have worked 3 years there.
Okay, so what other jobs did you had?
When I was at Kathmandu, I did some home-based job. Also, I did the web customization job. Also, I have worked on SEO optimization also.
So, what kind of job would you like to have here in Romania?
Uh, for now, I am applying for the job of helper in the Koala factory.
In the
But
coal
but
factory?
yes, but I hope once I will reach Romania, and if I can show my confidence, if I can show my performance, I hope I can do better.
Yes, but you are coming here to work for this company, and you have to stay 2 years and work for this company as the contract.
Yes, I know all those things. I have to stay at least 2 years, being oriented for that company,
Yes.
uh, and parallelly, if I have some skill and if I can show my performance, I can upgrade my position in salary also on
in
occupation.
in this company, because you
Yes,
can do this.
yes. I have some IT related skills, and I did it in Saudi Arabia when I was staying there.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I thought once I will reach Romania, and in the starting phase I will work which you give me. When time goes, I thought I can do that also.
Yeah, in this company you have the opportunity to rise also in salary, also um, okay, in grades. So it's good for you if you want to
Yes.
do this. Okay. So why would you like to work in Romania?
Uh, Sorry, can you repeat the
Why
question, please?
why would you like to work in Romania?
Yes, the first reason I like to work in Romania is safety. Because before I work at Saudi Arabia and I did not feel the proper safety there.
Mm-hmm.
And once I studied on newspaper and on online portfolios, I found Romania is one of the safety country. That means I can speak, I can walk, and I can speak if something is happening against me. I can speak and I can fight against it, and I can rise up. That's the main reason why I want to go Romania.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much for the interview.
No problem. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you. Bye. Oh.